Okay, so this is the calf raises with the dumbbell. Okay, so just calf raises. Essentially, all you're doing, I need you to grab something that you can have a deficit with. So for example, I've grabbed the 25 bumper plate, you can go here, or grab a couple of smaller plates and just stack them. Essentially, raise your foot up from here. Once you stack it on, just put it on, put a dumbbell on top of your knee. This is the alignment I need it to be, so we're a little bit close at the moment. If I push this forward, essentially, now it's in one line. That's the line we're looking to do. So I'm gonna come up, high as I can, low as I can. High as I can, low as I can. This is all I'm doing. This will not take long to run those calves. Okay? The most important thing is that I need the dumbbell head and your heel to be all in one line. If it's not gonna work anything. All right, it's in the wrong spot. So I want your toes, the ball of the foot on the edge of the plate. Okay? Same with the dumbbell at this end. I don't want it up here, it's in the wrong spot. Put it on top, closer to your knee. Have a go.